Curious how we ensure our new products meet the highest standards? Let's dive into the testing process for our D-Series. These are the original car's ballast and xenon lamps. The original car lights have a short lifespan of 2 to 5 years. Our D-Series LED headlights offer a much longer lifespan of over 10 years, making them the perfect replacement. After hundreds of tests and matches, we found the best design solution. Firstly, we conduct electrical parameter testing by connecting our LED lights to a wide range of original ballasts using waveform testing equipment. This ensures that our LED lights have the same electrical parameters and waveforms as the original car lights. What you see here are waveforms, and it's essential to ensure that both the startup waveform and stable waveform match those of the original car lights. Each ballast has a unique waveform. Our LED lights have an integrated controller that can recognize the specific electrical parameters required by each ballast, accurately simulating the operation of the original car lights. Additionally, we've designed 4 decoding modes to troubleshoot any compatibility issues. This allows for selecting alternative modes one by one when encountering decoding problems. This is the testing of voltage and power values. This is the temperature testing. In other words, our LED lights must match the startup waveform, stable waveform, voltage, power, and temperature of the original car lights. This ensures that our lights emulate the parameters of the original car lights, preventing any error reports from the vehicle system. We subject the car lights to a simulated test in an 80 degrees C oven, also known as a destructive test. The testing period for our new product is 8 days, conducting continuous tests in the oven to validate if our product meets the standards. After the bulb stabilizes, it displays the operating environment temperature and the temperature of the lamp body. This effectively simulates the temperature conditions experienced when the car lights are installed in the assembly. Not only do our products match the electrical parameters of the original car lights, but they also share the same dimensions and shape, making installation easy. And guess what? Our products offer even higher brightness than the original ones. Thank you for watching.